Hi guys, Mitch here from Rangeland RV. Welcome to the all-new Rockwood 1970 ESP. Let's take a look. So I want to go over some specs and construction and some major key features of what actually makes the Rockwood the #1 selling tent trailer in our whole industry. Now this 1970 ESP, and that ESP stands for Extreme Sports Package, is sitting at 15 feet from hitch to bumper when it's closed. When the tent trailer is open, it's measured at 20 feet from bed to bed, and it just comes slightly over 2,000 pounds dry. Now 2,000 pounds dry, that's a really nice dry weight. It's easily towable by most SUVs and even some minivans out there. The 1970 ESP is equipped and built with a 10-foot box that sits on a flipped axle, and it comes with 15-inch off-road mud tires that is completely covered with its seamless one-piece roof to prevent any type of water leakage and coming inside. The Rockwood 1970 ESP comes equipped with tons of features. You have a roof rack system on the top so you can attach your bike rack on there and bring your bikes along for the camping trip. You have a Dometic awning with an LED strip, definitely a nice feature. You have a power lift system. Now just with the touch of a button, it's going to lift your whole roof system up. I don't know if you recall back in the day you used to have to hand crank all that. That's definitely not the case anymore. Every Rockwood comes with a brand new barbecue that's going to attach to the side of your unit, and just under here, as you can see, there is a LP quick connect. That's going to connect to your barbecue. It's going to feed off your propane tanks right on the front. If you were to look on the other side, there is a hot and cold outside spray port, so you can easily wash off any dishes, any clothes. You know, if you brought out your quad, you can wash that guy off as well. So now that we're inside the 1970 ESP, you can see what a great job Rockwood does with their interior. You know, even the colors, it's just gorgeous. Behind me is a queen-size bed with a heated mattress. That's definitely a nice perk for those cold nights. You have a rollover sofa over here for additional sleeping or seating space. It's really nice when you can get a dinette and an opposing sofa inside of a tent trailer. Over here you have a 3-way fridge that's going to run on your electricity, your propane, and your battery, so that's definitely a nice perk, as well as it is accessible when the trailer is down. So let's take a look over here on the other side now. So as you can see over here on this side, you get a dinette that can fold down, makes room for more sleeping accommodations. It does have a 3-burner stovetop for cooking. Over here is your sink that has hot water, cold water, because it does have a 6-gallon quick recovery hot water tank equipped on this coach. Cabinet space for some storage, and then behind me is a double-size bed with a heated mattress as well. Are we on? Yeah. We're on. Perfect. Well, I want to thank you guys very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We have a ton of great content, a ton of great videos. If you're wondering how to set up and take down a Rockwood like this, we definitely have videos on that, nice and easy. We are the #1 tent trailer dealer in Alberta, and we definitely have a ton of inventory with different floor plans. If you're interested and have any questions on this specific unit or any other ones, please email me directly at mitch@rangelandrv.com or check out our website at rangelandrv.com. Happy camping!